All-in-one. Ergonomic keyboard and mouse value kit. Designed specifically in order to reduce the pressure from your hands while computing and give you the benefit to type relaxed and effortlessly. One receiver for two devices, 2-in-1 USB Nano Receiver for mouse and keyboard. Stored inside the keyboard. 30 feet operating range. Require 4x AAA for operation. Batteries are not included. Split key keyboard. A one-piece design that simply separates the keys into two groups for the left and right hand to reduce bending your wrists outward while typing. Designed specifically in order to reduce the pressure from your hands while computing and give you the benefit to type relaxed and effortlessly. Vertical mouse. Wireless ergonomic vertical design with 5-button and adjustable 1000, 1500, 2000 dpi resolution. System requirements. Windows 7, 8, 10. Easy installation with plug-and-play feature. No drivers needed. Package includes 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, 1 armrest, 1 movable magnet, for height adjustment, manual, and 12-month limited warranty. Ergonomic compact keyboard and mouse set. Valuable compact desktop set that was specially developed for the pressure of your hands during of computer operations and give you the advantage of being effortless and relaxed. Top reviews from the United States. Quiet keys. Great ergo purchase. I love the ergonomic angle of the keyboard along with the upright mouse creating that natural angle of the wrist for less shoulder rotation inward. An added bonus that the keyboard buttons are quiet and a little closer together, leaving my smaller, shorter hands less movement around the keyboard as I type.